Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be explaining the button tag. Button right there. And so what you can do with this is a pretty interesting tag, because if you refresh, it does this, and then you can click it. So what you can do, type, and then there's a button, which makes it like this. What else is there? Menu, reset, and submit. So all these are helpful, but like, let's say you have the button tag in here, and then never mind, I misspoke, sorry about that. But like, you can put whatever you want and that'll go inside the button, but the problem with the button is that you can't really do too much too easily. This is why we use the A tag. If you want to go more in depth with the A tag, you can look at my link video. I would recommend that a lot more with the button tag. I'm hoping to make this a new series where we go through most of the, at least, needed HTML syntaxes. But hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next one.